The last natural resource that comes from plants is cotton. And remember, natural resources come naturally in our earth. So cotton is a natural resource that comes from cotton plants like this one. The part of the cotton plant that we use is the soft, fluffy white part. So we don't use the leaves or the wood from this plant. Once we take the cotton from these cotton plants, we can turn it into many things that we use, like bed sheets when you go to sleep, dollar bills or money to pay for things, pants, and shirts. Humans found out that the cotton fibers, this white stuff, could be spun into fabric to make clothing, all different types of clothing. And this comes from the cotton plant.